Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
It's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
What about that one? That one is like...
Could be. So I think we have good grounds, but you could be right. I mean, you'll find out. It's ridiculous. We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know. And it's just absolutely ridiculous. But, we'll see. We have very good grounds.
A federal district court judge has temporarily blocked President Donald Trump's executive order that sought to limit birthright citizenship, marking this the first major legal challenge to one of the administration's controversial immigration policies. Senior U.S. District Court Judge John Coffenauer issued the ruling on Thursday after hearing 25 minutes of arguments, placing a temporary hold on the policy for 14 days. The judge emphasized the clarity of the constitutional issues that are at stake, declaring, "I've been on the bench for over 4 decades. I can't remember another case where the question presented is as clear as this one. This is a blatantly unconstitutional order." Although, as these issues continue, Republican Congress members met January 23rd, saying that they would like to codify President Donald Trump's order.
President Trump has made it clear that restoring fairness to our immigration system and defending the true intent of the 14th Amendment are central to his vision of making America great again. His historic executive order to end birthright citizenship marks a critical step forward, and now with the Birthright Citizenship Act of 2025, we can solidify these reforms into lasting law and codify them.
CIS also estimates that nearly 400,000 expectant mothers cross the border illegally in hopes of giving birth in the United States. Common sense tells me that these folks ain't over here on vacation, y'all, and just happen to go in labor. They're coming across that border down there illegally, and they're using us like the international piggy bank. Well, 2 things are about to happen. Number 1, that border's going to be closed. Illegal immigration, don't come across it unless you come across it legally. Number 2, if you want to come into this country from now on, this is America first. Come over here, help assimilate, and advance the American culture.
We'll see how this works out.
The ruling paves the way for further legal proceedings, including a briefing on whether a preliminary injunction should be issued to permanently block this executive order.